Daddy Finger, where are you? Here I am. Here I am. How do you do? I'm T-Rex, big and strong. Hear me roar. Stomping through the jungle, adventures to explore.
Mommy Finger, where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? I'm a stegosaurus, plates on my back, walking through the forest on a leafy track. Brother Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? I'm a Triceratops with horns three, charging through the valley, wild and free.
Sister Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
I'm the Brachiosaurus, tall and grand, reaching for the treetops as high as I can.
So, baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
I am a pterodactyl, flying in the sky, soaring over mountains. Watch me fly.
Dino Finger family, here we go, exploring prehistoric lands high and low.
From the jungles to the skies, we roam. In our dino world, we make a happy home.
Dinosaurs together, strong and brave. Through the ages, memories we save. In the world of wonders, let's play and sing. With our dangle fingers, happiness to bring.
Dino Finger family, wave goodbye till our next adventure, reach for the sky.
With a roar and a cheer, a song we'll sing. You in the land of dinosaurs, joy we bring.